Hi, welcome to another episode of Barry's Backyard BBQ. We're going to be grilling today hamburger. We're going to do it in the pan that had been seasoned a couple episodes ago. And we're going to actually do some. First, we're going to turn on the grill. And get it a little hot. Let the pan warm up a little bit. But just to go through everything for you, we already pre-measured out some water, so we didn't have to bring out any measuring cups and stuff. And this is some frozen beef. I usually use 80-20. That way there it cooks up pretty nice and juicy and everything for everybody. And then when I was walking through the store the other day, I happened to run across Taco Bell original taco seasoning. So we're going to give this a shot and see what it turns out like. Now we're going to put the beef in the pan. And we'll just cover it and come back to it, and we'll chop it up a little bit more once the pan gets a little bit warmer and the grease starts flowing in the pan, and we'll be all ready to go. Now we're back up to temperature and everything, and I usually keep it up at about 450 or so that the hamburger can cook. But as you can see, when you thaw it out, you still got some that's frozen in the center. So I just keep the temperature down to about 400. And just keep on stirring it, chopping it up so that your hamburger is nice and loose. And we'll cover this back up and let it cook some more. All right, and come back to it. Back out, checking our hamburger. Still got a little frozen lump there, but it'll give us some time to chop up the rest of the hamburger. Make sure we got it nice and fine for our taco seasoning and taco. You don't want a whole bunch of big chunks in it. But as you can see, the seasoned pan working really nice. And then kind of another little trick that you might want to do as well. I kind of put the grill on a tilt so that it's tilted downhill. And then that way there, whenever you want to soak up all the grease when you're done, just put all the hamburger to the one side. While the grease flows down, you can put your napkin in. And you'll see that later on once we finish. But I will shut this and we'll let it cook some more. Alright, gonna check on our meat. Oh, it's looking good. Make sure you want to chop up all the little tiny pieces of it. And keep them all real fine. And if you just want to be safe, make sure that your meat's up to temperature. You can always stick the thermometer in there. Past 205, so more than ready. So as I was telling you, this is the Kaizen thermometer. Again, really like this brand. Andy has a magnet so you can stick it right on your grill. But back to what we're going to do here is I already have the water pre-measured out. Again, some seasoning that I was just happening to walk by and find. I figured, oh, Taco Bell. We'll give it a shot, see how it tastes. You know, on the back, the ingredients tell you that, you know, add about a pound of hamburger. But again, it's all on how you like it. If you like it, you can add less hamburger, more hamburger. The same way with, you know, if you like it juicier or not. But add in your 3/4 cup of water. Let that boil for a second. And we rip open the package. And now we're going to add it back in. Make sure we cover everything. And just give it a nice little stir in. Alright, now our meat's finally cooked up. All the seasoning has been mixed in. Up the temperature. So we'll take a quick taste, see how it come out, and then get it ready and put it on our tacos. Oh, that actually tastes like Taco Bell taco meat, that's for sure. Well, this is another episode of Barry's Backyard BBQ, and make sure that you follow us and like us, and please subscribe to us, and I will see you on the next episode.